Good evening, I'm Mallory Safaste. 531 new cases in the last 24 hours. Right now, there are 8,225 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Maryland. 235 people have died. Baltimore County continues to lead in the number of cases in our area with more than 1,200. The number of negative tests has also increased, bringing the total to more than 41,000, with more than 450 people released from isolation. And we now have a better idea of the zip codes with the highest concentration of COVID-19 cases. The Maryland Department of Health releasing the new data this morning. Right now, the area with the most cases by zip code covers Baltimore City's Druid Hill Park to almost Pikesville in Baltimore County. It includes Pimlico, where a drive-through testing site was just opened. The other hotspots include 3 Silver Spring zip codes and 1 in Prince George's County. Earlier today, Governor Larry Hogan said on ABC This Week that the data is being used to deploy resources.
It's where almost all of our attention and all of our focus, all of our money, all of our health care, all the assistance from the National Guard. It's really where all of our testing is being done. It's where all of our health care is being ramped up, where we're adding 6,000 hospital beds.
Also in the top 10 zip codes, the Parkville area of Baltimore County. Coming up at 11, what a Baltimore City Councilwoman says these neighborhoods need to fight off the virus. And Governor Larry Hogan and New York Governor Andrew Cuomo are calling for an additional $500 billion in federal aid for the U.S. to deal with the coronavirus. The two released a statement saying implementing stay-at-home orders and other public health measures has resulted in catastrophic damage to the economy. And without at least $500 billion, they may have to drastically reduce important services. They also called on Congress to amend the recently passed CARES Act to allow existing federal funding to be used to offset lost revenue. Well, you might want to check your bank account for some extra money. The IRS says it made an initial wave of stimulus payments yesterday. The direct deposits will continue over the next several days. The agency is starting with people who have provided banking information while filing taxes in the past few years. If you don't file taxes, you can enter your payment information on their website, irs.gov/coronavirus. And people who haven't used direct deposits will get checks by mail. That could take weeks or even months. The money is from Congress's $2.2 trillion stimulus package. It's aimed at keeping Americans and the economy afloat during the coronavirus crisis.